Can you even see that? Because that is so stunning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a mini haul slash try on. I'm so excited for the products that I picked up. Some new, some not so new. I've just been dying to try, and this is the look that I came out with. If you're new here and you haven't seen my channel before, please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see makeup hauls, makeup product reviews, makeup tutorials, and more. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you want to see how I got to this look and the products that I'm going to be trying on, please keep watching. So the very first thing I'm going to do is apply a primer, and I'm going to be using the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So this is kind of like a mini haul slash like I'm just trying new products because I'm so excited to try some of the products that I have, like so excited, especially the foundation that I have today, guys. I've been waiting to try it and I couldn't justify buying it, but I bought it. So here we are and we're doing it. Now that we have our primer on, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the foundation that I got. Makeup Forever, this is the Water Tone Skin Perfecting Fresh Foundation. This is transfer proof and you can use it for the face and body. So it's a very radiant finish. It's a sheer skin tint that minimizes imperfections and adds hydration for up to 24 hours. It's supposed to be very hydrating, and when it says skin type, it does not show anything to do with oily skin. It just says normal, dry, and combination. So this is supposed to be very hydrating. It's supposed to keep you hydrated for literally 24 hours. The upside with this also is that it is like 94% natural ingredients. So this is like clean. So I'm really excited to try this. So here we are. So here's the bottle. As always, you know, Makeup Forever gives you that like sleek, like beautiful bottle. It is a glass. Is it glass? Yeah, glass. The shade I have is Y225, which is my normal shade in Makeup Forever. They have about 20 shades. Sephora has, I think, 16. And this is $50 Canadian. It's also cool because it's supposed to have like a little palette on top, which I'm not going to do because that'll drive me nuts because it'll be really dirty. So I'm going to give it a shake and I'm going to apply it to my hand. Or should I try this little indenty thing? It's gonna drive me nuts. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh, I hate this already that it did that. But anyway, so I put in the little thingy there. It is more watery than most of the foundations, but it's not like skin tint watery, like tinted moisturizer watery. So whatever. Anyway, so I'm going to try to apply it with a brush first, and then I also have my beauty blender. So I'm going to go in with my brush first and apply this. This is a very watery like consistency. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, it feels nice. It's very watery, very watery. Lots of brush strokes. Okay, it has a fragrance, so if you don't like fragrance, do not buy this. But it's not like a strong fragrance. I would say it's like clean. Is that a scent? Clean. Okay, this is a little better, but this is definitely not like, you're not getting coverage out of this. This is not a coverage foundation. This is definitely like a tinted moisturizer. You know what would have made this even better? If they put SPF in it. I feel like that just would have made this like the summer like skin tint. I mean, I don't know if people want to spend that much money on a skin tint. It did have a brush online, but like, I'm sorry. I'm not spending whatever amount of money on a brush specifically designed for this foundation. I'm sorry. That doesn't work for me. So I'm not doing that currently. Let's see, guys. I don't know. I jinxed myself by saying Makeup Forever always gives me amazing foundation, maybe. I just don't know if like maybe I'm just not used to the coverage from it. That's like barely there coverage. But let's see if it's buildable. Okay, it's not bad. It's buildable, I guess, because it kind of gave me a little bit more coverage. I don't know. I'm confused about this. I might have to wear it for a while and then I can let you know the actual thoughts on it. It's just kind of like your skin but better type of situation. So if you want to spot conceal, you'll just have to use your concealer to do so, which I don't think is a bad thing. I guess we'll see at the end how it looks fully. But I'm going to finish applying this and just get an even finish because that's what I want. Because I had seen some reviews where people were saying it was a little patchy. So I don't know if that was because the girl I watched had oily skin, and it does not say anything about using it for oily skin. So that could be it. Or if it's just, it goes on a little patchy. I'm not sure, but I'm not seeing patchiness. The concealer I'm going to be using is my usual. This is the Sharp Tape. That's what I was about to say. The Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. So I'm going to be applying this under the eye. Them dark circles gotta go. And then I'm going to spot conceal with this, and hopefully let's see how this kind of works out. Let's do it, you know? I'm also gonna take the light just so I can brighten up under the eye as well. And I'm just gonna put a little dot in the center there and a little on my nose and middle of the forehead and chin. And hopefully this sits nice together because then I won't be as worried about what the the coverage is, you know? Because I don't mind a light coverage if I'm going to be able to use my concealer with it and it still looks nice, you know? Has anybody tried this foundation? Do we like this foundation? Like, what are the thoughts on this? Because, like, honestly, like, I'm really obsessed with the Makeup Forever foundations. I won't lie there. Like, I love the Makeup Forever foundations. So I'm just confused because the Reboot came out and I love the Reboot foundation. Like, I love, and if you watch my videos, you know, like, I use the Reboot foundation a lot. Like, I love that foundation. So I mean, I don't know, I'm very confused because that one doesn't have a huge amount of coverage, but like, it's buildable to give you a little bit of coverage, but it's also so lightweight that, like, it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer in a sense because it's so lightweight on the skin and it does not feel like anything. I was just kind of like confused by it. Okay, so I blended out my concealer and I have the coverage that I like. I just spot concealed, like I said. I did tell you there's not a lot of coverage with this. It is so lightweight though, which is really nice. I like that it's like really lightweight. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I just want to see how it lasts hydration wise and like how long it actually stays on the skin. I'll let you know obviously at the end of the video, like, my final thoughts. If you watch my Essence video, which I will link below, I use this powder for the very first time and I have been using it every single day since, for some reason. I really love this powder, so I am going to set my face with this powder. So I just usually take it on a brush and I set my under eye area. I love this powder. It's so lightweight, and yes, I'm not a huge matte person, but I don't set my whole face with it. I just kind of set like my under eye area, any areas that I want set, anywhere that needed any extra attention, like any spot concealing areas, I kind of set it with this, which I've really been enjoying this powder. It's so lightweight, so nice on the skin. I know this is not part of the haul, but again, it is a very, very nice foundation. I can't speak ever. This is a very nice powder. So next, I'm going to be trying the Ilia Nightlight Bronzing Powder. I've been so excited to try this powder. So I got it in the shade Drawn In, which I think is one of the lighter shades. This is what it looks like. You know, I love the packaging, like, that's sleek like this. This is something like I always loved, like a sleek packaging. So I am excited to try this. I have been eyeing this bronzer for a long time. So I'm going to apply it on my Real Techniques brush. Ooh, it blends out beautifully. The color is very nice. I like, but I'm also biased because I really wanted this product so bad. Okay, this is pretty. Sat nice on my foundation. Okay. Blends out really nicely. It's a soft powder. I like the color. All right, this kind of checks all the boxes for bronzer so far. So I mean, no complaints here. Okay, I already have one of these blushes, but I really do love these blushes. So I got it in the shade Mykonos. These are the Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blushes. These blushes go on so beautifully. Like, the way the pigment is there, the way they just go on, like, they blend into the skin is absolutely stunning. This is the shade that I got. It's like a nice, like, peachy, corally shade. It's nice for summer. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but when you apply to the skin, it doesn't have a shimmer. Like, even the one I have another one. I don't remember the exact name of it, but I have a different one that's like a pink and it has tiny bits of shimmer in it, but like, you don't see it on the skin. So I'm going to be applying this with a brush and we're just gonna go for it. I love this. I love these blushes. They just go on so pretty. Like, the color you get from them, the pigment is there, the blending is stunning. I love these blushes. This is okay, I'm obsessed with this blush. I just want to keep this blush forever. Okay, anyway, look how nice this blush looks. Okay, so you know what's crazy about it is, like, so this foundation is very radiant, which is amazing, but like, adding the powder products on top of this radiant finish is really making the radiance shine through the powder, and I really love that. Like, I love the way it looks. It looks so stunning. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with these products that I just layered together. They just look so good. So next, the next product I have is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I have been dying to get this, so I finally have it. So I am very excited, and this is 001 Universal. So it's like a highlight palette. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. If I didn't have an eye product, I would be using this on my eyes because, like, hello, how stunning. This pink is beautiful. The bronze is beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. So I'm going to dip my highlighter brush in it. I'm going to go into Strobe Gold. This one, that's the shade. Okay, that went on literally so pretty. I love new makeup when it just works out so good. Look how stunning. Oh my God, it sits so pretty on my face. Okay, I'm obsessed with myself right now. Is that weird to say when you're obsessed with yourself? Because I'm obsessed with my cheek area. Okay. Calm down, Cass. Now, let's move on to the eyes. I'm eating my hair, hold on. I've been dying to buy this product, so I'm so excited that I finally bought it. But this is the Eyes to Mesmerize Long Lasting Eye Color by Charlotte Tilbury. I am so excited for this. This is the chocolate bronze. Hello. Yeah, right? We know. You know, we all know I love a bronze. I love a brown, love that, love the bronze. So I'm going to swatch this for you. Oh my God, it's so green. So pretty, oh my God. So I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm going to go into the pod here and I'm just going to apply that to my eye. Oh my God. It's so nice. Okay, I'm just going to apply a strip across the eye. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. This is a MAC 224S brush, and I'm just going to blend that out because apparently it's supposed to be very blendable and you don't need transition shades, you don't need anything. So I am just going to blend that out and extend it just a little. Okay, anyone else obsessed with my face currently? I picked such good things to try today. It blends out like butter. It's so creamy, so smooth. Oh my God, this is stunning. Look at it just glide. Look at it glide. Do we think this is stunning, guys? Like, did anybody try these before? I'm sure so many people probably tried these. I'm just late to the game because I was having trouble justifying the price because let me see what they retail for. Hold on. They retail for $36. I mean, really, that's not that bad. But like, I was kind of like, do I want to spend it? Should I spend it? I don't know. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. So I'm just going to apply a little more to the center of the lid just to get a little more deep like foilness. Oh my God, these are beautiful. They're buildable. They're not even creasing. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry, guys. This is a one and done, you know? Like this is literally a one and done eye product. That is beautiful to me. Anyway, so I'm gonna take the same brush before I freak out, and I'm going to apply underneath the eye the same thing. We are going to apply some eyeliner. So I have the Makeup Forever. This is the Aqua XL eye pencil in brown. So we are just going to apply this tight line to the lash line. Okay, I'm going to apply in the waterline as well. Okay, so now that I put that on, I'm just going to apply my brows and I will be right back. So I picked up the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Bigger Badder Volumizing Mascara. So this I picked up with my points. It is new, but I really want to try it because I saw some good reviews on it. So I also picked up the Ilia mascara and I've been loving the mascara. The way the brush is, how it just like, I know this isn't about this one, but it just like really separates the lashes really nicely. Like it has like a comb here and like more of a volumizing brush on the other side. So I've been obsessed with it. This is the, oh, it has like a flexi brush kind of. This kind of reminds me of the Sky High actually. The way the brush is, like the flexi like moves around a lot. Anyway, so this is the one I'm gonna be trying. Ooh, I like this brush a lot actually. It's like separating the lashes while really pushing them up. Like from one eye with mascara on it to like nothing. Like it really just brings up that sultriness because I'm trying to avoid putting lashes on today because I wanted to try this mascara. Okay, that is really good mascara. Oh my God. That's nice. So I'm gonna apply to the other eye as well. That is literally like 2 coats and that's really freaking nice. Oh, look at this mascara. It's a nice one. Look at my lashes. This is crazy. I literally spent 100 points on this little tiny one. I don't know how much the actual size is, which scares me usually. So I'm excited because I like this a lot and I'm scared. So now I'm just gonna throw on some lipstick and I will be back. So I have my lipstick on. I am just going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I have not worn this for 24 hours yet, this foundation, but the way it looks on my skin, this is a typical Makeup Forever like feeling. Like it feels so lightweight. All their foundations are very lightweight, but this one is extra lightweight. It looks great. Like I said, you don't get a lot of coverage, so don't expect that. But it's like your skin, but with like a radiant glow. Once you put concealer on the spots that you want, you get the coverage you want essentially. And it feels so light, so beautiful on the skin. We just gotta see how long it lasts. So I will let you know in the description when I post the video. The mascara is amazing. Like my lashes look amazing. I got length, I got volume out of them. This is a typical look that I like for mascara. Mascara is a very personal thing, which everybody knows. But this is the type of look I essentially like from them. Like something lifted, long, with like a little bit of volume. My eyes, I love the Charlotte Tilbury product. This like Eyes to Mesmerize is amazing. This is so good. I can't believe how much it blended, how beautiful it went on. All the pigment in it, like this will last you forever because just touching it gives you a ton of pigment. And you could make this like more glam, less glam. Like I just did it so I could try it out and try out the mascara, and this is stunning. I love the way it looks. It's so nice. The products on my face, I'm obsessed. Like my cheeks look amazing. The highlighter, amazing. The blush, amazing. And the bronzer, amazing. So I'm really happy with the products I picked up. So honestly, I have no complaints. Like I said, I will let you know what the foundation looks like in like 10 hours. And I will let you know like if it moved, if it stayed hydrated, how it felt. So I hope you guys like videos like this because I love doing videos like this. I love trying new products, especially when you get such great results like this. So if you want to see videos like this and more, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, especially what you want to see. And as always, guys, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.